I'm so happy that my children are here today and really make it something on that line. It's so important for the future. It's absolutely certain that the poor children that I bring here are not always able to go high study, but they can be wonderful wonderful lady if they know what is to be behaving in the life. It's not easy to do it. Now my volontariat have 1,400 children in charge by a family of sponsors, something like that. But the most important matter for us is that people take care of them, not to give them food. Food for me is important, but certainly second of the food of the mind and the food of the heart. And very often, intellectual people are thinking first to be very intellectual and not thinking that the child first have to be play. And when you say that here, we play for the children and teach them how to play on the good manner, this is a way, a line that surely Gandhi have been showing with no harm, and he showed on this beautiful India country no harm. But unfortunately now, open the TV, you will see the violence, and the violence. The violence will be nowhere for our children. This means we have to teach them something else. Very happy that you have been that here.